In 2017, Zila and Marvin Davis co-founded My Old Man Leathercraft as an extra income stream. And now in 2024, 7 years later, it's officially a small business enterprise, producing high quality and long-lasting leather goods. We welcome the husband and wife team to Smile. Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Welcome to Smile. Happy to have you both here this morning.
Thank you.
And
you so much.
best wishes for the season.
Thanks.
Same to you.
All right, now, Leathercraft. Why did you choose this route, as I said in the introduction, as an extra income stream?
Well, it's something my dad used to do. And so, I was looking for some extra income. Saw a particular wallet that I think I could do. So I just went ahead. People loved it. And it just went from there.
So Daddy taught you when you were growing up?
Not formally, but I saw him doing it.
Watch and learn.
Watch
take
and
notes
learn.
over like a pad.
Yes.
So Daddy did that. All right, good stuff. And it's blossomed over 7 years. Did you anticipate this type of, growth?
Well, yes.
Good.
Because the product speaks for itself, and it's high quality leather. And so people gravitate towards that kind of thing.
On that note about high quality leather, how do you choose the type of leather that you work with, and describe for me the different types, if there are many different types of leather?
Yeah, there are different types of leather. What we focus on is top grain leather.
Top grain?
Yeah. So the leather is there are different segments to the leather. So the top grain is the best. So that is what we focus on.
And from what's the source of the leather?
Well, mainly North America. But we go wherever we can find the quality leather that we need, but mainly North America.
There's no tanning going on in Jamaica anymore.
Unfortunately.
If it's being done, it's done on a small scale, not the kind that we would want for the product that we create.
Okay. And how do you make, well, you said it's top grain, but how do you make that select? I mean, and at top grain, you mentioned tanning, so there are different colors.
Yes.
Yeah, they are different.
Right?
Yes.
How do you decide, which color to use? Is it all based on what you ideate around a design?
Well, I realize persons gravitate mainly to earth tones, so I will go for earth tones. But we have customers that will be specific and say, well, they want a blue or a red, then we go and get the red.
Hold on, we can get blue leather?
Yes. And red and all those colors.
Any color.
You're educating me this morning.
Yes.
All right, now, like in terms of the colors, you said people tend to go for earth tones, but do you somehow kind of, surprise, I wouldn't say surprise clients, but, do you do other pieces to just give people an idea that, hey, listen, sure you love the earth tone, but check out this blue or check out this red.
Yes. We have pieces like that.
So you've got something for all types of tastes.
Yes.
You said you source your leather in the United States. But let's talk about the designs. I mean, who ideates around that? Is it a
it depends on what it is. For the larger items, it's definitely Zila, and he will sit and, just like something like this, where this is canvas and leather infused. Right. That's our newest product. So he came up with that idea, while I will focus more on the repurposed wood, and Zila has a lot of scraps. Right? Yeah. And I just can't take seeing them being disposed of without use. So I just started picking up his scraps and then turn them into signs.
Yes.
So we now have a wall decor item as part of our thing.
And that's just it, because that's where it's going next. What are the different types of items that you carry and produce?
Right.
As you can see, we have bags, we have belts, armbands, slippers. Yeah. Slippers we did before, but we're going into it more fully now. And of course, you have your travel pouch. Some persons call it dope pouch.
Right. We have larger items. So we have weekend bags.
Okay.
So we went into the duffel bag and travel bags. We have knapsacks. And the knapsack is a beautiful item where persons who didn't know that they can get that kind of leather in that kind of design.
Yeah.
So
how easy is it to care and clean leather items?
Well, when you start out, I would say every 5 years, because it's just like the skin, you have to put on conditioners or lotions to keep the skin. So it's the same thing for leather. Like about after 5 years, the moisture, sun might dry it out. So you want to make sure you put that, conditioner to keep it going.
Is there a specific leather lotion or like
No.
my regular lotion that I have at home?
No, not just.
no, there's a leather balm.
They are leather balm.
Yes.
Yes.
You
Yes,
see,
yes.
I learned it this morning. I learned it this morning.
So it's a mixture of oils that to keep it going.
Okay, good stuff. I understand that you recently opened the store and you're doing a pop-up very soon. Let's get into that.
Yes, so we partnered with TF. So we're at the Artisan
Tourism Enhancement Fund.
That's
Yes.
correct. So we're at the Artisan Village in Falmouth. That's Hamden Wharf, Gate 5, just across from.
Juicy beef.
It's a landmark. It's what it is.
Yes. So that's all we did recently. So from April of this year, we have been there.
Okay.
And-
And what plans of expansion in 2025?
We think. Go ahead.
So we are thinking, we've had a lot of persons, especially in Kingston, that says, what about us,
Right.
So we're actually thinking about that. We're watching Falmouth to see how that materializes, but we will probably take a smaller space in Kingston.
You have a pop-up this weekend, right?
Yes.
Where?
We're at
47 Hall.
Hailsham.
It's in Hailsham.
All right.
47 Hall Boulevard in Hailsham.
And then
Yes.
we're going to be at Devon House Market on the Lawn.
The following
Beautiful
week.
stuff.
Yes.
We look forward to seeing Old Man Leathercraft in the different spaces where you are going to be activating for the season.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much for being with us this morning. And it's the season of giving. So if you are the first caller from the western side of the island to tell us where you can get My Old Man Leathercraft in Trelawney, and just say it, you'll get a belt courtesy of the store. So you're out west, call fast and let us know where they are. And we got something nice for you. So that's Zila and Marvin Davis. They're the co-founders of My Old Man Leathercraft.